Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Today we are about to discuss various forms of a straight line in two dimensions. Various forms of a straight line in two variables x and y, x and y. Let's see and find out what are they or how to utilize these equations. Simple one, point slope form. Point slope form, the basic form. Point means any point, let me denoted by x1, y1, and slope gradient is denoted by m. Slope is denoted by m, and this is the equation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. By the presence of x1, y1, and m, it has taken the name slope intercept form. M is our slope, x1, y1 is our given point. X1, y1 is our given point. X1, y1 is our given point. Number one, this is known as point slope form. Point slope form, equation of a straight line in two dimensions, in x and y. Second one is mostly used in O and O levels, slope intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c. It is known as slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, where m is slope and c is our y-intercept. C is our y-intercept. C is our y-intercept. Point slope form, slope intercept. Then we have next two intercept form. Two intercept form. Two intercepts form. It is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, where a is our x-intercept. X-intercept means y0 and b is our y-intercept. Y-intercept means x0. Two intercept form, slope intercept form, point slope form, and eventually normal form or perpendicular form. Fourth one, normal form or perpendicular form. Normal form or perpendicular form. It is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Obviously, where alpha is inclination, angle, inclination, line makes with positive x-axis and measured in counterclockwise direction anti-clockwise direction, while p is the perpendicular distance from origin. While p is perpendicular distance from origin. Perpendicular distance from origin. These are the four basic forms of a straight line to be utilized, to be asked at any time. Point slope form, from the name it is obvious, we have a point and a slope, that is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. That is slope intercept form. Two intercept form, and that is normal form. We can convert one equation into another, transform another, and so on. To find two elements are required to write equation of a straight line. Two elements, they are slope and a point. Slope, first possibility to find slope is given by when two or more than 2 points are given. First possibility to find slope, number one, two elements, point and slope. Slope plus point. Let me write. Point, it must be mentioned straight away. When two or more than 2 points are given, that is the strategy to find slope. When we have given angle or inclination, slope can be calculated as m is equal to tan theta. Third possibility, from the line itself, suppose we have given an equation of a straight line and we have to find its slope. Slope from the straight line is given by m is equal to negative times coefficient of x, coefficient of x over coefficient of y divided by coefficient of y, means in that case negative coefficient of x it's a and coefficient of y is b, negative a over b, and the final advanced possibility using calculus, slope is also found out by differentiating y is equal to dy upon d. That is the fourth possibility. Fourth possibility, we can find slope by differentiation at the given point. At the given point, whatever point is, we have to utilize this. These are the basic various forms of a straight line. Point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Slope intercept form, that's our y is equal to mx plus c. Two intercept form, x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Normal or perpendicular form, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p must be greater than 0, y greater than or equal to 0. P is a perpendicular distance from origin. Distance is always positive. Distance is always positive. To write equation of a straight line, we need two elements, two elements, point, slope and a point, slope and a point, slope and a point. For slope, we have at least four possibilities. When two or more than 2 points are given, slope is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. When angle is given, m is equal to tan theta. From the line itself, slope is also calculated by negative times coefficient of x over coefficient of y. I have also demonstrated negative a over p. And the fourth possibility is the advanced possibility from from differentiation. Using calculus, we can also find slope by differentiation. Okay, I am taking an equation. I am converting one form to another, and another. Let's see and find out how. Let me erase this first. Okay, let me take 2 points from basic. Suppose these are 2 points and we are asked to find equation of a straight line passing through these 2 points. Passing through these 2 points. 2 points are given. Find slope by utilizing the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's our x1 y1, then it's our x2 y2. It's up to you. If it is x2 y2, then it is x1 y1. x1 y1. First abscissa, second ordinate. Okay. 5 minus 4 over 4 minus 3. 1 is the slope. 1 is the slope. Utilize basic equation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. It's up to you. Take this point or this point, both lies on the straight line. They satisfy the given equation. Slope is 1. I am taking the first one point, y minus y1, y minus y1. y1 means 4. Slope is 1, x minus 3. Okay. Shift right in the standard form. Right in the standard form. Try to keep coefficient of x positive. Shift this thing over there on the right hand side. X minus y plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that's our equation. That's our equation. One can find its slope when 2 points are given. That is the strategy to find slope. From the line itself, we have also this formula negative. Let's verify its slope. Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y divided by coefficient of y. I have negative times coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient y is negative 1. 1 over minus 1. So our slope is 1. Slope is 1. We have verified. Now this is the equation x minus y plus 1. I can transform this one into slope intercept form. Let's see. Slope intercept form is given by y is equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, making the coefficient of y positive 1. Keep y on the left hand side. Shift x and 1 on the left hand side. Multiplying by minus, I have y is equal to x plus 1. So, on comparing, this is our slope and this is our y-intercept. Here, m is equal to 1, slope is 1 and our y-intercept is 1. We have converted, utilizing 2 points, I have found equation of a straight line verified the slope from the line itself. I have converted this line y is equal to mx plus in slope intercept form. Also mention you what is slope and y intercept. Let me write in two intercept form. Let me write in two intercept form. It is x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. I am about to transform this equation in two intercept form. Two intercept form. Two intercept form. It is x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Take 1 here to the left hand side, sorry, to the right hand side. X minus y is equal to minus 1. I need here positive 1. I need here positive 1. Multiply by minus. It will become minus x plus y is equal to 1. Or x over minus 1, y over 1 is equal to 1. Here my x intercept is minus 1, 0. So value of a is, according to this equation, comparing with this equation, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 1. Writing in intercept form, it is our y intercept. Y intercept means x. I have transformed same equation to two intercept form. Eventually, let me check where are the space, then I am going to write that thing there. Okay. Normal or perpendicular? I have some space here. X minus y plus 1. I have to convert to normal form. Normal form. Perpendicular form. It is x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equal to p. Okay, cool. X minus y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Take the coefficients of x and y. Take the coefficient of x and y. Their magnitude 1 square minus 1 square. It will result in 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means under root. Under root. Now I have to multiply, I have to divide with minus 1. I have to divide with minus under root 2. Minus under root 2. Why? In order to get p, the distance from origin, positive. So I have x over x divided by minus 2 minus y divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by under root. I would have taken positive if 1 is positive. 1 is negative, I have taken negative in order to transform this value of p positive. Value of p positive. It will become minus x over under root 2 minus plus y over under root 2 is equal to positive minus 1 positive 1 under root 2 positive 1 under root 2. So one can compare. This is r minus 1 under root 2 x 1 under root 2 y is equal to 1 under root 2. That's our value of cos alpha. That's our cos alpha and that's our sin alpha, and it is Rp. It is Rp. It is Rp. Take the coefficient of x and y, find their magnitude, square root, coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square, whatever it is. We have to multiply positive under root 2 or negative under root 2, depending upon the symbol of the constant. Depending upon the symbol of the constant, we take, here must be the value of p. There is always value of p according in normal form, perpendicular form. So distance from origin, distance is always positive. It is negative. That's why I have taken negative 2, negative square root 2, and I have divided. From where comes our root 2? Coefficient of x and y. Finding their magnitude and dividing. Next compare. It's our value of cos alpha. It's our value of sin alpha. It's our p. It's our cos alpha. It's our sin alpha. It's our p. Let me write here. Cos alpha is equal to minus 1 over 2 and sin alpha is equal to 1 under root 2 and p is 1 over under root 2. 1 over under root 2. And that is the mystery or technique how to handle a straight line. A straight line, its various form. What are the elements required to write equation of a straight line, point and slope, and how to convert one form into another form very easily, without spending much time. It's my tutorial to give you familiarity towards various forms of equation of a straight line in two dimensions. Equation of a straight line in two dimensions. Linear equation in two variables always represents a straight line. Linear equation in two variables represents always a straight line. Now I am going to show you how to graph a straight line. How to graph a straight line. Let's see. Let's see Let me continue the same equation that I have. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Just find x and y intercept. For x intercept, how to graph equation of a straight line? For x intercept, put y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then we are going to have value of x is negative 1. Now, for y intercept, put x is equal to 0. For y intercept, put x is equal to 0. I have 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Instead of x 0, y plus 1 is equal to 0. Or minus y is equal to minus 1. Multiplying by minus, I have y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Just plot these 2 points, x intercept. These are x intercept. X intercept means value of x is 1 and y is 0. It's our y intercept. Y intercept means value of y is 1 and value of x is 0. Just plot them. One is negative here. On the left hand side, x negative. On the right, x positive. Upwards, y positive. Downwards, y negative. And y is 1. That's here 1. Just any line passing these 2 points, it is your required equation of a straight line. That is the graph of this straight line. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the strategy to plot straight line. Straight line. Just only find x intercept and y intercept. For x intercept, where the graph touches x axis, where the graph touches x axis, x intercept. On x axis, we know that y is 0. Where the graph touches y axis, we know that on y axis x is equal to 0. That is the strategy. That's our x intercept. That's our x intercept. X intercept means put y is equal to 0. That's our y intercept. Y intercept means on y axis x 0. For y intercept, put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. It's my tiny effort to you to give you good clarity about the straight line. It's all by itself. Next.